To change the cabin air filter in the 2004 to 2009 Toyota Prius, first start by opening the glove box. It drops down, you can squeeze both sides of the glove box, and the glove box drops down. There is this shock here on the side that slows how the glove box is opened. That may pop out. There's this cover here. Just push these two tabs in and then pull out. That exposes the cabin air filter. To remove the cabin air filter, all you'd have to do is just pull it out and just keep those white 4 tabs in mind. After that, put the new air filter in its place. Secure it right under those 4 white tabs. After that, place this tray back into its compartment. Next, reinstall this shock. I'm going to snap this part into the middle hole, just like so. Then extend the shock out and then attach that to the glove box. Okay, now the glove box can be closed and this job is done. The cabin air filter I bought was $7.50 on eBay. I'll have a link in the description down below. Thank you for watching, hope you like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next video.